So I got a package today. It's been a lot of speculation about these. Today we're going to go over the Adidas Virginia Triple White Jellyfish. Finally just got mine in the mail. People have had mixed feelings about these. I mean, more bad feelings than good. I've seen a couple good ones, but for the most part, I've been seeing people complain about the Jellyfish being widely available. I've been seeing people complain about the Jellyfish being $300. Now, I don't know if they had these at any stores, but they had to because they sat, right? But I've been to the mall and I didn't personally see them. So maybe that's just my area. So let's just see. Adidas, we got Virginia wrapping inside. And here goes the shoe. Bam. These are the Adidas Jellyfish pure or all white things. Feel me? First impression is, god damn, them motherfuckers is huge. Like, these look like maybe like my New Balance 9060s based on size, or they look like, you know, like maybe some designer runners or something. Like, they look like some Balenciaga runners. First impression, they are huge. So, damn. Fucking moon shoes. They definitely moon shoes. And also, what else am I noticing? They're not really all like pure white like they say they're gonna be. They're more of a cream color, but they look way different. I'm gonna tell y'all this. I'm gonna be for real, because I'm not a hater. And I like all white shoes. Personally, you need to have some all white shoes in your collection, in my opinion. And this is my first pair of Jellyfishes ever. So I'm not going to be biased about this shit. I mean, everybody's hating, but I don't like to follow the wave. I like to go based off what I like. If I like it, I'ma buy it. So these motherfuckers bust. They look good so far. I'm definitely going to throw these motherfuckers on right now, probably on foot. Straight on foot, because I got to go to the gym and they're like running type shoes. And I already got Adidas shit on, so I might as well just throw these motherfuckers on and go to the gym. But yeah, man, after I do that, we going to get back to the review and I'm going to let y'all know how they feel. Like, you know, comfort-wise, fit-wise, what you should do. But I'm definitely gonna throw these motherfuckers on feet. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all how they look with my outfit. Before I try these on with my fit, I gotta change my socks up because I got on Jordan socks. So I gotta change to the Adidas socks. It's only right, because that's mismatch. You feel me? So y'all probably wondering why I got my Fitbit on my fucking foot or my leg. It's because I can't wear my Fitbit on my wrist at work. Don't judge me. But I need to know how many steps I got in. But anyways, let me change my socks. All right, now. All right, y'all. Fit check. How we looking? I think we looking good. These motherfuckers is icy, I can't lie. But these shits is low-key enormous. Like, they're humongous, though. I take that back. I take that back, bro. They are not as big as my 9060s. They are bigger. These motherfuckers is like Balenciaga runners for sure. You hear me? Like, for real. But nevertheless, they icy though. Just make sure you go true to size. I'm about to go to the gym in these. I may or may not get any footage, but I'm going to be trying them on for the comfort wise. I might even take a jog in them. We going to see about it. Feel me? But I just wanted to show y'all my little feet check. And we heading to the gym probably. And after that, we going to review these motherfuckers. All y'all that are wondering if they glow in the dark for real. Well, yes, they do. Because I was just in the sun. It was beaming on there. And here we go. This is them after being charged up. I ain't gonna lie though, to say that these look bunk, like aesthetically wise, look wise, what? Are y'all for real? These motherfuckers go dummy. These motherfuckers go dumb. Y'all can't be serious. Now, if you was tripping on the price tag of $300, that I can understand, because a lot of us don't have 300 just laying around just to spend on some shoes. I get it. Now, if the price was your aim, then I get it. But y'all gotta stop being like followers. Y'all gotta start being original and go based off what you think and not what others think. Because half of y'all have not even seen a jellyfish in hand, and they look way different from the pics. And I am not being biased here. These are my first pair of jellyfishes, and I'm not mad at this cop at all. Now, if I didn't feel like I had the money on for it, I wouldn't have copped them. But right now, I was feeling good, so you know, I had to bust down on them. And so far, I don't regret it. You know, look-wise, I'm pleased. Now, we about to see if I could, you know, run and shit in them. Because technically, they are running shoes. So I'm about to head to the gym. But nah, y'all gotta stop. Get some help. Get some help. Y'all don't like all white shoes? You gotta like white shoes. Step lightly. You know, you got to be careful. You already know what you got to do. But yeah, man, come on now. They not really like icy white though. They like off-white, brown, cream. They need to change the colorway on the box for sure though. They even got some hints of 3M on them. Not only are they icy, but they glow in the dark. They got 3M on them. Boy, these motherfuckers is icy. Like, is y'all cool? Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Cause, bruh, you could keep these motherfuckers clean. Y'all just some dookie booty ass niggas. Y'all can't keep y'all shoes clean. Just say that. If you can't, it's not that hard. Feel me? Put some stain repellent on them and you'll be good. Wipe them down after every wear. Gucci and Gabbana though. So I just got out the gym, and y'all know how I said I was gonna run in these motherfucking jellyfish. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, cause I fuck with y'all like that. But I didn't do it. I could not get the strength to fucking do it, bro. But because these motherfuckers is icy white. You know, Big Bro Moski is just teaching y'all, like, when you have all white shoes, you can't just be doing them dirty. For instance, like some cocaine Air Force 1G Fazos. Like, you can't just, I mean, you could, but I ain't that type of nigga. I cherish my white shoes. So, like, the regular shit I would do, for instance, running, or if I was going to the state fair or something, or if I was going to be outside for a long period of time or some shit like that, you probably wouldn't want to wear icy white shoes. Just saying, blood. Icy white shoes are meant to just, you know, step lightly in, do little to no activity in. Walking's just fine, but once you start to kicking them feet, your shit gonna get wounded. You hear me? Like, your shit gonna get wounded. So the smartest thing to do with white shoes is just keep it white equals light. White light shoes. You just, you know, just walk lightly. You feel me? Little to no activity in white shoes. I'm trying to put y'all on. That's why y'all don't like white shoes, because y'all can't care for them. You feel me? Y'all don't know what to do. Now, although my shit's not dirty right now, since I wore these for the first time, I don't see no dirt. I'm still gonna wipe them off. That's another motherfucking key fact right there. Y'all need to, after a wear, wipe the motherfuckers off while they're nice and fresh, because if you wait too long, the dirt's gonna start settling on your shoe and it's gonna be much harder to clean it. But yeah, we gonna go to the house now. I just finished working out in the Jellyfish Virginia Triple White, and we gonna conclude this review and talk about it at the hut. All right, so let's talk about these jellyfishes a little bit more before we get to the verdict. We do have the Adidas symbol in the back. We got Adidas symbol on the tongue as well. These shoelaces are 3M, which is pretty cool. They're just like a nice rubbery and mesh build on the upper. These shits are humongous. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. These shits are stompers. Like, these shits are These motherfuckers is stompers. Like, they're almost like boot-like. Like, if you stomp a motherfucker out in these, they gonna feel it. Like this, my size is only a size 10. But this shit look like a size 18. Make it make sense though. But yeah, just be aware of that. I would advise y'all to stay true to size. Just wear it regular, because honestly, I think I felt like I had a little room in these. I was not about to run in these, bro. They're too icy. But comfort-wise, these feel great, bruh. I feel like I could stand in these for hours if I had to. They feel great. The comfort feels great. Now, shit, they better be for $300, right? They better be feeling good for $300. Now, for the verdict, would I tell y'all to go out and buy these? I mean, $300 is steep. Let's be honest. Let me not be biased. $300 is steep. So if you got money like that, then I would recommend you to definitely get these, especially if you don't have any Adidas Jellyfish in your collection already. I definitely feel like this is a great colorway. I don't know what people are talking about. They're not what they think they are in person. They look great, but that price tag is pretty bogus. I definitely agree with that. But so if you got the money, definitely snatch these up. But to say these don't look great, that's kind of reaching. These look great. So you got money, grab these. You don't worry about it. Just pay your bills and do all the shit that you need to do first. Because one thing that your broski moski will never do or never tell you to do is buy some bullshit shoes and you got bills and insurance and kids and pay for it. Take care of your responsibilities. If you got it and you got enough money to spoil yourself, get them. But if you don't, never put material shit like this first. But yeah, we got that clear sole, which is very nice. I wore them. I need to wear it. I need to wipe that thing off. There's a couple little stains. I do advise y'all, after wears, make sure y'all wipe down y'all shoes. That is very, very, very clutch, bro. Because like I said in the car, if you let stains build up for too long, I know if you got shoes, you notice, especially light shoes. If you let it build up for too long and you just let the grime sit on there, that shit'll eventually be hard to get off. So, game for y'all. Do that. If you got time, try and bust down a little bit. Even if it's not the shoe cleaner Jason Marks, get you a hot towel or a warm towel and just wipe them down. Feel me? That'll do a little something. I like to personally wipe down my stuff as long, you feel me? If water could get it off, I'm going to use that. So, yeah, these are the Adidas Jellyfish Triple Whites. That's all I got for y'all today. And I'll be back at y'all with another video. It's your big bro Moski, and we signing out this motherfucker.